Alright, welcome back to 19.2. Explain 2, finding the number of permutations with repetition. So, just so you know, I pulled this from your textbook as well. Permutations with repetition. Let's say there's the number of different permutations that could happen with n number of objects, where one object is repeated a certain number of times, and let's say another object is repeated another times. So let's say, for example, I have the word puppy. Well, how many letters is that total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 letters total. We're going to go over that symbol, by the way. It's not exclamation point, it's factorial. And I'll show you how you're going to compute that. Now, let's see. Out of the letters in the word puppy, how many letters repeat? So how many letters repeat? Well, letter P, which is only one of them. And how many times does it appear? So that'd be 3 repeating letters of the word, in the word puppy, P. Again, these are both not exclamation points but factorial, and we're going to show you on your Decimals calculator how to calculate that. But let's look at the first Explain 2, Part A. It says, how many different permutations are there with the letters from the word Arkansas? So first of all, count up the total number of letters in the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's about 8 letters total. How many A's appear? Well, that's 1, 2, and 3. And then how many S's? 2. Alright. So just like I said, we're going to use our Decimals calculator to figure out what these numbers would be, and then what that final value would be, which is the total number of permutations or different ways we can write the word Arkansas. Well, the letters from the word Arkansas in different arrangements. Alright, so let's put in on our Decimals scientific calculator 8. I'm going to go to function and type in that, so we know what 8 factorial would be, which is a pretty large number. Let's go ahead now, put in 3 factorial times 2 factorial, and that would be about 12. Since we are going to reduce that, let's go ahead and put that number there. Let's go ahead and put in first number, which was 40,320 divided by 12. And much like we're going to put that here on our piece of paper. So there's about 3,360 ways to kind of compute that. So let's write this on our paper here. So from the last page, we were able to find 8 factorial is 40,320. 3 factorial times 2 factorial was 12. When we divided that out, we got 3,360. All right, let's go on to explain B. So it says, let's say one of the zip codes of Anchorage, Alaska is 99522. How many permutations are there with these numbers in the zip code? First of all, let's count our total number of digits. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total. And there are 2 9s and 2 2s. Oh, that's cute. So there's 2 9s and 2 2s that repeat. So let's go ahead and work this out using our Decimals calculator. So that would be 5. Again, my function key factorial. It's about 120. And then 2 factorial times 2 factorial would be 4. And then if we work that out, that would be 120, which is our 5 factorial, which is our numerator, divided by 4, which is about 30. So let's go ahead and record that on our page here. So that'd be 120 and, so I recorded our response of 5 factorial of 120 and 2 factorial times 2 factorial was 4. Divided that out and that would be 30. Just like it says here on the screen, stop! Do the problems in your packet for explain 2. We'll come back with explain 3 in just a moment.